Welcome to ISE Engineering, located in Attleboro, Massachusetts. ISE has been providing professional forensic engineering services to the insurance industry, government organizations, as well as legal professionals since 1990. This month's topic addresses failures to water heaters causing floods and fires. If properly installed and maintained, building damage due to leaking and malfunctioning water heaters should not occur. The fact is, however, leaking water heaters is an all too common cause of water and mold building damage. Oil and gas fired, as well as electric hot water heaters, often malfunction, causing fire and smoke damage to buildings. The causes of these events range from negligent installation, inadequate maintenance, to manufacturing defects during the fabrication and assembly of the appliance at the originating factory. ISE Engineering's custom-built testing facilities have allowed us to develop well-established inspection procedures, providing cost-effective inspection of water heaters for leaks, fires, and pressure bursting events. ISE Engineering also provides cost-effective evidence removal, transport, and climate-controlled storage of evidence pending subrogation. Since 1990, ISE Engineering has been providing excellence in fire investigation and forensic engineering investigative services. Please visit our website at www.iseengineering.com for a full description of our fire investigation and forensic engineering services. Don't forget to find us on LinkedIn. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see videos of this and other forensic engineering and fire investigation topics each month.